Welcome, today in front of me I am a Redmi Note 11 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap here on the notifications and here you can select one from this notification sound or just click here to the more. You can select the online ringtone or local ringtone on your device, but how to do that you just can find another video on our YouTube Hard Reset YouTube channel. I'll show you how to change the custom notification sound just by click once on the notification with just sound that you will like. And here, as can you see, we got the message that this notification applied successfully. Now when we'll go back, here you can see that here we got the rather one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.